Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best teacher bags in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Kroser Laptop Backpack. While not exactly a tote bag or messenger bag, we want to include this hybrid option because you can use it either as a backpack or as a shoulder bag. Overall, it's a well-made backpack/tote bag combo that can fit a 15.6-inch laptop, papers, and a folder filled with assignments. It has a stylish look, enough compartments to carry accessories for a laptop, and can double as a backpack. Ideal for those long walks across campus. Pros: doubles as a tote bag or backpack for convenient use. Multifunctional for a wide variety of uses. Number 2. Our second best pick is Newhey Mens Messenger Bag. A large, durable classic choice for a teacher bag. This bag is made out of crazy horse cowhide leather. It is water-resistant and rugged for long-term use. The overall size of this bag is quite large. It comes with 5 different pockets, plenty of space for a large laptop, water bottle, assignments, and more. Last, it's also a bit heavy at 2.5 pounds when empty, so expect this messenger bag to have a bit of heft to it when used. Pros: premium build, classic design. Lots of storage for all sorts of day-to-day teaching items. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunny Snow Laptop Tote Bag. A large yet lightweight tote bag, this thing is big and can carry a 17-inch laptop with ease. If you're looking for a tote bag that looks good, is big, and has all the storage you could ever want, this laptop tote bag may be for you. What we liked about this particular tote bag is that it has good build quality and can store your technology with ease. Need a bag large enough to put in a laptop, tablet, mouse, books, phone, headphones, props, wallet, and more in? All at the same time. This bag is perfect then. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Laptop Bag for Women Large Office Handbags. This is a stylish, premium-designed laptop bag for teachers. You can easily fit a 15.6 laptop inside in its own dedicated, padded compartment. In addition, it has a lot of built-in storage space for wires, papers, your teacher planner, and more. With its professional design, this bag is simply a great choice for any working professional. It's ideal for a university lecturer, as it's not ideal if you need a lot of storage for things like arts and crafts, homework, and so forth. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is S-Zone Women Genuine Leather Top Handle Satchel Daily Work Tote Shoulder Bag. This is a beautiful, classic leather tote bag. This leather tote bag for teachers is designed more for style and less for function as a tote, but it's still a good option for teachers due to its storage and impeccable design. It's on the list primarily because a lot of teachers prioritize style and appearance as a primary purchase decision. If that's you, this teacher tote bag is for you. This tote is a classic-looking leather shoulder bag that is large enough to carry a 15-inch tablet. It's built sturdily with a reinforced base so the bag stands up on its own when empty. It's also flexible in the design and is a bit pliable, so you can fold it and put it away without issue. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.